Imagine discovering that cherished signed baseball or rare trading card has suffered an accident. Your heart sinks as you wonder, is this item lost forever, or can it be saved? Many collectors face this dilemma, questioning what damage truly means the end for a beloved piece of memorabilia. The truth is, the level of damage that is repairable on collectibles varies greatly, depending on the item, the type of damage, and your ultimate goal for the piece. Generally, minor surface issues and structural instabilities are often candidates for professional attention, while extensive material loss or widespread deterioration may not be fully reversible without significant impact on authenticity or value. The reason some damage is repairable while other types are not comes down to the materials involved and the nature of the degradation. For instance, paper collectibles like sports cards or programs with slight creases, small tears, or surface grime can often be treated by paper conservators to stabilize them and improve their appearance. Similarly, a signed jersey with a loose stitch or minor discoloration might be addressed by textile experts. However, damage involving extensive mold growth, water saturation, significant material loss, or irreversible chemical reactions often proves too challenging to restore without compromising the item's integrity or greatly diminishing its original value and historical significance. If you find yourself with a damaged collectible, your first step should be to carefully assess the extent of the damage yourself, without attempting any repairs. Then, research and consult with professional conservators or specialized restoration services who have expertise with your specific type of collectible. Gather multiple opinions and estimates, always weighing the potential cost of restoration against the item's current and projected value. Sometimes, simply stabilizing an item to prevent further deterioration is the most practical and financially sound approach. It is also important to understand the distinction between conservation and restoration. Conservation focuses on stabilizing an item and preventing further decay, often using reversible methods to preserve its current state. Restoration, on the other hand, aims to improve an item's aesthetic appearance by attempting to return it to a state closer to its original look, though this can sometimes involve more intrusive methods. Professional restorers always prioritize the item's long-term preservation and ethical treatment. By understanding the various types of damage and the capabilities of professional restoration, you empower yourself to make informed decisions about your collection. This knowledge helps you preserve the history, the memories, and potentially the value of your treasured sports memorabilia for years to come, even after an unexpected mishap.